I say again, the gooses are getting cooked.
You weren't a cat person.
Causing up the kids.
You call this a storm? I'm right here! Come and go!
The bed. We need a ball.
Bro, is that fucking hell, bro?
Real hell. Good gosh. That's at least.
Danny, come in. Danny, come in. Danny, get in here.